Happy Chinese New Year in the year of the ox, and big thanks to Tarmac Works for sending me this awesome casting for my preview. 4 castings in total. We have the Toyota Hiace Widebody from Hobby64, the Road 64 Mercedes-Benz AMG G63, and also the pair of Hobby64 Dallara Formula 3, followed by the Grady Performance Evo Lancer Wagon. As always, I'll make this into 3 bite-sized videos, starting with the Toyota Hiace. This will be available at the Tarmac Webstore at the 23rd of Feb for Tarmac Works Owner Club's member, and also the 24th of Feb for public. You can refer to the link down below in my description on where to purchase them, and also in my comment section. And now let's take a closer look at the Toyota Hiace Widebody from Hobby64. Very clean and detailed modified casting. The design of the sleeve are reflection on the body is being reverted. Hobby64 logo with standard information behind. A collector card is also included in special print with a serial number. Like the backdrop inside the sleeve, it showcases the street of Japan, which is very interesting. The standard Hobby64 base has a tarmac textures. It's also labeled as a special edition. The details is absolutely stunning. You can see from the extreme close-up. Incredible details such as the front grille, the headlights, and also the very realistic license plate. Various Japanese characters in fine print can be seen on the Hiace. Because it's a modified casting, the windscreen and the windows are all yellow tinted. It may not sit well with everybody, but the color definitely adds some character to the van. Very interesting decal with the logo bomb and overlapping effect. The rear are equally detailed as the front. Sharp livery with a realistic car plate. The spoiler is very interesting, and a very interesting exhaust. Rear lights are very realistic in plastic. Highlight for the Hiace is definitely on the wheel sets. It's very realistic and ultra detailed. A roof rack is also included as part of the offering, which is a nice touch to the casting and will look especially nice in diecast photography. Looks even better out of the base with equally stunning details. Although the wheel sets are able to roll, the whole casting doesn't roll well, typical of the standard model car. Although it's a Hiace, the casting is very photogenic. Really love the white fenders, I think it's very nicely executed. Similar to the exterior body, the interiors has plenty of details as well. The whole Hiace is spacious to reduce weight with the roll cage, plastic base, and is ultra detailed. The Toyota Hiace Widebody is a very refreshing casting, and it's a very good call by Tarmac Works. This casting will definitely be welcomed by many Hiace collectors and also van lovers. And being a Hobby64 casting, the details are ultra realistic with quality components, and I have no doubt it will definitely look perfect in diecast photography. Stay tuned for more Tarmac Works unboxing, and remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone, bye!